Back in about approximately 2005, my daughter experienced a skiing accident. She was a decent skier, but she had a skiing accident. But she's also a very avid softball player in high school, and she was in the process of, at that time, getting ready to go to college, and a lot of colleges were looking at her at the same time. So she experienced an ACL injury that we had looked at by two surgeons, and both said that the only thing that she could do was get an ACL surgery, and that the rehab time would take a year. So she would lose her entire senior year of softball and not be seen by any college coaches or anything. My wife started doing a lot of research. My daughter was devastated, and my wife struck upon Dr. Hauser. So we decided to we took a flight out from New York to Dr. Hauser's office in Chicago, and he checked her out and said yes, because there was no full detachment of this ACL, that he was able to do prolotherapy on her. She had the prolotherapy done that day, and we stayed in a hotel overnight in Chicago. Then the following day went back to New York, and he told her that she can restart activities, and he wanted her to start activities immediately with catching. She was a catcher on a high school softball team, and also on a travel team. What happened is she started catching immediately. No problems at all. We came back probably about a month and a half to 2 months later. Again, he gave her another treatment of prolotherapy. She caught the entire season with the high school team. All sorts of college coaches looked at her, and she had been made a few offers of various colleges, anywhere from D1 to D2 colleges. She wound up going to a D1 college. At the beginning, she played all summer ball the entire year. That year, then she went to college. She played college ball. She had to wind up getting a treatment that following year. She got one treatment or maybe two treatments at the most. And then after that, her sophomore year, I believe we came back for one treatment again, and maybe another treatment in the third year. But you have to remember, my daughter caught the vast majority of all the games for the college softball team, which encompassed about 70 games. And don't forget also practices and everything else. So you're talking about a tremendous amount. And she had gotten treatment on both knees to make everything, because what happens, you start to favor one knee over the other, so she wound up with treatments in both knees. But she's doing great right now. She has not had a treatment, and I'm going to say probably about, 7, 8 years. She runs all the time. She plays tennis. She runs in 10Ks. She does leg exercises. She plays kickball for a company. She does all sorts of various activities. And Dr. Hauser's treatment worked fabulously for my daughter.